All right, Union Pacific up in the Palmdale Cutoff, heading northbound. It's milepost 474 up there. It could be crazy, but I don't think the signal. Off over there. Not seeing any red lights flashing. I think the gate's up. Buddy, watch out for rattlesnakes. Buddy's got his nose in every bush around right here. I was just up at that crossing about 10 minutes ago, then the sun came out and there's no way I can shoot up there in the sun, so I came over here. I swear that, I guess I do see a red flashing light now. Nice manifest train, got some grainers, box cars, tank cars. Had a KCS in the mix. With the locomotives. Got a lumber car there. Center beam lumber car, or lumber bulkhead. Those little ones are high fructose corn syrup. You can see the ADM triangle there on a couple of them. I think that stands for Arthur Daniel Midland. And they pump out corn syrup, which is in just about everything you eat. Or some people, anyway. Us unhealthy ones. It's a long train. I still see it coming from down there. Got some open hoppers. Just a regular bulkhead. Nice mixture of cars. I'd show Buddy, but I don't want to mess up those guys that like to count the rail cars. I appreciated that information. It's pretty interesting. See if we've got some DPUs coming or not. Those little ones are probably cement hoppers. One car decided to turn around up there. That turns into a dirt road after the railroad tracks up there, and it goes all the way up to Lone Pine Canyon Road, which is on the way to Wrightwood. It goes right up to San Andreas Fault. It's kind of eerie to drive it. That guy changed their mind, or girl. Yeah, we've got a rear DPU on the back, keeping the slack in the train, keeping it loose. And it's pushing. She's a working. All right, got a shout out coming for all the contributors. So if you're one of those fine people, keep your eyes and ears open. Buddy and I love you guys. And if you want to become a contributor, a part of the team, one of Buddy's assistant producers, you hit that join button down there. We also have super thanks and patreon.com. If I go too far to the right, we're going to get a lot of that sunrise, so I can't go any further, really. Now we can take a look at Buddy, wherever he is. There he is. What's going on, bud? Looking at the sunrise, smelling the fresh air. It's Sunday morning. This is our sanctuary. And we're just relaxing and enjoying a day off. Thanks for watching, you guys. Watch a couple more. We love you, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. Good afternoon, Cajon Pass Railroad fans. Buddy and I wanted to take just a moment to thank all of our assistant producers. You know who you are, the ones that are making wonderful contributions to keep us going strong. We'd like to thank John Powell, Gert Bota, Danny Turner, Silence 7, Nancy Hodges, Lars Gary, Tom Riccardi, Eddie Labar, Michael Fox, Richard Everly, Jay Geist, John Prang, Illinois Man, Lyle Larson, Sam Samuelson, John Hansen, and Freet Buzz Aldrin. Of course, there's also Keith, too. I'm an assistant producer, right? Just kidding. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more, and we will catch you on the next one. Just the cameraman here.